distribute those personal connections? Daniel. Yeah, the author really saves any personal connection that they're making to the very, very end, to the conclusion paragraph. Okay, and then if you have a yellow sheet of paper, what are you noticing about the personal connections, or connections, real life connections for that matter? Jacob.
There wasn't a lot until the very end, and the author just spewed them out, and then it just ended.
Okay, were there any real life connections throughout?
Well, it was a lot smaller than like the bottom where it was just all coming out.
Okay, so again, more heavily in the conclusion. Did you notice something else, Isabella?
We kind of noticed that they weren't really personal connections. They were like life connections. Like some people have a military family and some people like run from their country, but it doesn't say anything personally.
Yeah, so what does that tell us about connections? What statements can we make to help us add connections into our literary essays? What's one statement you can make about them? Noah.
That they don't exactly have to be about you. They could be about a problem in the world going on right now.
Okay. Sierra.
Connections draw the reader's eye because you want to know something about the author who wrote this essay or who wrote this.
Yeah, absolutely. So they add that value piece. Spencer.
Like connections add this like touchy-feely piece to like your essay.
The emotions.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Having someone feel bad for you, it's like they really want to read more.
So text evidence and personal connections, it's like balancing proof, cold hard facts, and emotion. Okay, we want to have a good balance of both. One last question. What did you recognize or learn about how to distribute connections into your essay? Connor.
The beginning.
You can put them into the beginning. Where else can you put them? Skylar.
I would have kind of said that I would go but in a different paragraph because it kind of kept talking about Katniss's childhood and stuff, and that's what she was talking about at the end, and it would be better with the white piece of paper if that spread out.
If they were distributed evenly throughout.
Not just going to this one.
Okay, where else, as far as distribution goes, where else can we put these connections?
Kind of like the Skylar's kind of sprinkle them, like at the end of your body paragraphs.
At the end of your body paragraphs. Is there a right or wrong way to add in a connection? Some people overuse them. Absolutely. But what did you guys learn today by looking at these two different samples? Kind of thinking back to our teaching point for today. What's really important to think about when we are adding personal connections? Daniel.
It looks better if you like scatter it out a little bit more instead of just breaking it all together.
Sure. Ainsley.
That they're usually about like your claim or what you're trying to say.
Yep, so they should only help add value to your claim. Libby.
That like adding connections and like can like add a lot to your paragraphs and make them just like a little bit like better.
Yep. What about text evidence and connections? We talked about both today, and a strong literary essay needs to have strong text evidence, but also some connections too. What was that word we used to describe both? Think of like a scale, kind of like Jacob. Balance. Okay. So you guys will be able to write, and you are able to write strong literary essays if you choose to balance your text evidence with your personal connections. Okay? So that is the work that I want you to focus on your literary essays when you go to work on your own today. And you guys did a great job contributing, and thank you very much. All right.